Do you know that almost half of all singers go to doctors for straining, getting hoarse, or losing their voice? I bet it's even more because we strain our voices, and after resting, it feels better. And sometimes pro singers realize their voice can't do what they used to do. And many singers don't like their sound and have breathing problems. And too many of us compare our voices to other singers and feel we're not as good as them. Do any of these sound familiar to you? Are you struggling with any of what I mentioned? You know, I have. I've gotten hoarse, strained, and I've lost my voice. I couldn't sing as I used to, but that changed. I worked my singing muscles, and I got back strength and health. I sing with more confidence and awareness of my breathing, and my secret? I'm consistent with my vocal workout. At age 76, my voice is still going strong, just like the rest of me. And I want you to learn how to take care of your voice so you can sing with confidence, eliminate straining, and have the control you may be missing. That's what you want, right? Now, some of you don't have any problems with your voice, and you know what? That's great. And you want to make sure you keep it that way. You don't want to end up with any serious setbacks with your singing and your talent as time passes. I care because I know what it's like to go through difficulties singing. If you're serious about getting and keeping your voice strong, healthy, and ready to give you the notes you thought you couldn't reach, you need a vocal workout. You can get my vocal workout course, where exercises cover chest, head, falsetto, and mixed voice, all the areas of the sound. I'm here to guide you through each one. We go over transitions from low to high and loud to soft. Everything you need to sing your songs great, and you have to be consistent. If you're serious about keeping your voice healthy and being able to sing for a lifetime, you need to do this vocal workout course. It's totally up to you. Just make sure you do the work to get the full benefit you deserve from any workout. I promise you, mine will help you so much. It keeps me healthy. I do workouts all the time. They gave me back control of my sound and singing strong for all these years. Now it's your turn. Don't keep thinking about things. Action will make your voice amazing. Go to marquitawaters.com/workout. Get the results you want and need with your voice. Then check out my Singing for a Lifetime, where we meet every week to do exercises. It's a great class. So check it out at my website, marquitawaters.com. And then there you can see my vocal workout course at marquitawaters.com/workout. I'm going to see you there. Okay, bye-bye-bye.